Hello, my name is Kenny, and I work for San Mateo County Libraries, and I'm here with...
Rachel!
And today we're going to show you how to make birthday cookies from Christina Tosi's latest book...
Milk Bar Kids Only!
Yeah! Which you can check out from our libraries, of course. So first things first, you're going to set your oven to 350 degrees, and don't forget to wash your hands for 20 seconds.
Let's get started. First thing we're gonna do is combine all the dry ingredients. So let's grab a medium-sized bowl, and we're gonna start with 2 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of milk powder. If you don't have milk powder, that's okay, just skip it, it's fine. We're gonna do 1 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt. If you have regular table salt, just do a little bit less. Then we're gonna do 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. I'm gonna grab a whisk and I'm just gonna combine all of these together. And perfect. Now we're gonna combine the wet ingredients. So I'm gonna grab a large bowl, and I'm gonna have Kenny help me with this one.
All right.
Let's do it. So we're gonna start with 2 sticks of butter, 3/4 cup of sugar, and 1/2 cup of light brown sugar. If you have regular dark brown sugar, that can also work. I'm gonna get the spatula and mix it real good. You want the butter to be at room temperature or even softer. You just want to combine all the ingredients together. All right, that is looking pretty gorgeous and combined. So to that, we're gonna add 1 egg, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. That looks so good.
Whew.
Good job, Kenny. All right, now it's time to combine our wet ingredients and our dry ingredients. So we have the dry ingredients that we mixed earlier. So I'm gonna pour all of that into our wet mixture. And I'm gonna mix it all just until combined. So I wanna make sure that I don't create a huge mess. So start slow. So this is almost where we want it to be. So I'm gonna stop here for a second, and I'm gonna add the good stuff now. We're gonna add a whole bag of white chocolate chips. And for the fun part, 1/4 cup of sprinkles. And we're gonna mix it all up. And now we're gonna scoop the dough onto our prepared baking sheet. Ta-da-dum! So I'm gonna grab a cookie scoop. You can use any ice cream scoop or a large spoon, anything that could help you scoop the cookie dough will be great. And you could do as big of cookies or small cookies as you want. And I'm gonna place the cookie dough, the cookie scoops, about 2 inches apart. And now our cookies are gonna go into the oven for 12 minutes. And they're ready. Make sure you let the cookies cool in the cookie sheet completely, and then enjoy them with friends and family. Thank you so much for watching. See you later.
Have fun.